Hello everyone. So today let us learn how we can multiply 85 into 36. So any two digit multiplication in just a few seconds. So now look at the first step. 8 into 3. We will write here 24. Okay. So now look at the next step. So 5 6 are 30. Okay. So after this, so let us do the cross multiplication here. 8 6 are 48 and next 3 5s are 15, correct? So cross multiplication. So add this 48 and 15. Here we will get 63. 63 I am writing here. Okay, so we write 0 as it is. So now add 3 and 3, what we will get? 6. Now this 6 and 4, what we will get? 10. So 2 and 1 we will get 3. 3060 is the answer. So let us solve one more problem, so you will get some clear idea. So let us multiply 26 into 32. Done. So what is the first step? 2 into 3, 6. So what is the next step? So here I am writing 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 2 as it is. 1 and 2 I will get 3. 6 and 2 we will get 8. 832 is the answer. So let us solve one more problem. So what is the one more problem we will get is 38 into 42. So what is the first step? 3 4s are 12. Done. 8 2s are 16. Okay. Cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6. And one more cross multiplication. 8 4s are 32. So what I will get? 38. So 38. 6 you write as it is. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 1 as it is. 1596 is the answer. Okay. So let us check one more problem. Okay. So now 24 into 13. So what is the first step? 2 1s are 2. So what is the next step? 4 3s are 12. Done. 2 3s are 6. 1 4s are 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. You write this 2 as it is. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 312 is the answer. Let us solve one more problem here. Like 33 into 16. What is the first step? 3 1s are 3. What is the next step? 6 3s are 18. So what is this? 6 3s are 18. And next 3 1s are 3. So 18 and 3. 21 we will get. 8 as it is. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3 5. 528 is the answer. Okay. So that is about the today's class. So we will meet in the next class. So please check out for playlist. Okay, for complete playlist. Okay, we'll meet again. Bye.